On a rainy afternoon, curious little Max splashes in a shimmering puddle. He discovers it's no ordinary water, it's a glowing portal. With a hesitant step, he tumbles into a sparkling whirl. Giant flowers sway like dancers. Talking animals wear tiny hats, and colorful fish fly through the sky. Max meets Luma, a playful cloud fox who tells him that the rainbow key can unlock a hidden treasure. But mischievous shadow sprites are trying to steal it first. Together, they bounce across candy-colored hills, dodge spinning whirlwinds, and ride on floating leaf boats. With courage, clever tricks, and a dash of magic, Max retrieves the rainbow key. He restores light to the land and leaps back through the puddle just in time for dinner. He carries memories of a magical adventure he'll never forget.